Is online Quran learning suitable for beginners? Online Quran learning is suitable for learners of all levels, including beginners. Many online platforms provide specially designed courses for beginners that focus on fundamental aspects such as Arabic pronunciation, basic Tajweed rules, and Quranic recitation. These courses offer a supportive and structured learning environment to ensure a solid foundation in Quranic studies. How can I ensure the credibility and quality of online Quran learning platforms? To ensure the credibility and quality of online Quran learning platforms, it is crucial to research and consider several factors. Look for platforms that have qualified and experienced Quran instructors, positive reviews and testimonials from previous students, transparent pricing and payment options, and the availability of trial lessons or demo classes. Additionally, seek recommendations from trusted individuals who have experience with online Quran learning. How can I make the most out of my online Quran learning experience? Staying motivated and disciplined is essential in order to maximize your online Quran learning experience. Set specific goals and allocate dedicated time for your Quran learning sessions. Actively engage with the instructor, ask questions, and seek clarification when needed. Take advantage of the available tools and resources such as interactive learning activities, digital Quran translations, and commentaries. Finally, create a conducive learning environment free from distractions to fully immerse yourself in the learning process.